So here we are in Saskatoon on a cold January day. Now it's not as cold as it could be, but it's still not ideal for working on cars. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So piece of shit that I'm working on right now is a 74 Dodge Charger SE. And I love my Dodge cars. But I don't know why Chrysler made so many 74 Dodge Charger SEs when they could have built way more rallies. In any case, what I'm working on is this area here. There's a rubber pad that goes there, and that's what that looks like, and that hole shouldn't be that big, but that's what it looks like. And the one in the front that I've already removed. Sorry about the glare. Now that one is in better condition as far as hole is concerned, but still this rubber was pretty pooched. So I could put a polyurethane set in there, but I want something a little bit more solid and firm feel. Has a product that you can purchase, but it is pricey, and for this old car that I'm planning, it's kind of meant to be a Richard Petty 43 stock car clone. It's not really going to be racing anything, but that's what it's meant for. So back here, I'm just going to weld some plates in, and I'm going to add metal shims. So like I said, Firm Feel sets a set of shims. They look like on the internet like they're made out of aluminum, and all I've done is I've taken the shape of this and I've made this by stacking 1/8 inch sheet steel, welding it together and adding a divot there, and the idea being it'll fit like that right into that hole, like Bob's your uncle, and that'll be bolted in solid. Now, even though I'm not going to actually race this stock car, I want to build it as though I were going to race this stock car, which is the reason why I'm going to a solid mount. So I made 4 of these solid stacked steel plated mounts. I didn't realize that the back ones were going to be so rusty, chewed up, but I mean, it goes with the rest of this rusty 74. It's pretty crusty in areas. I've done what I can to replace some metal, such as the bottom of this fender, and I don't know if you can see the back of the quarter panel. A few areas here, and I've widened these front fenders to accept a larger size tire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bolt up this side and weld that side. I've purchased new bolts, made a washer to go in from the bottom. It'll go in as such, and I'll bolt it up, and that'll be that one, and then I'll do this one and continue on the other side. So I'm going to stop the video here to do a bit of fabricating, and I'll restart it when I'm ready to do some welding. All right.